Airport, we're going to be making our way towards Sandy. Over.
1516, have a great flight.
It's a great day, man. My engine's shutting down. This is 1516 to, this is not good. 1516 to, Wright Airport. We have lost all power in all engines. We are attempting to turn back as soon as possible. We have no idea what's happened. We're not sure if it's an engine failure, but we are trying our best to kind of make it our way back to Wright Airport, but I'm not completely sure what's happening. 1516. Mayday, mayday, mayday. Landing in water. Landing, 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 landing.
EMS